How to become a perfect animator. Now, there is nothing called perfect in life. Every time we need to grow. Imagine we, as a student in our school, we do so much of study and we think that we have become the perfect person and we have achieved the perfect results. But still, we need to study in our 12th standard. Then again, we need to study in our graduation. Then again, we need to study in our post graduation. Then, most importantly, we need to study in our experiences. So, life is always a progression, it's never the perfection. So if you are somebody who is looking to become a perfect animator, stop doing that because that is going to hurt you. That is going to demotivate you when you will not be able to achieve something because of some situations or some circumstances. So always focus on progression because if you see in the studios also, even in big studios, if an animator is doing the shot on his own, but still they have the director, the supervisor giving the feedback, does that mean that the animator is actually not capable of doing the good animation? Or does that mean that that animator is not a perfect animator? No, that animator thinks that whatever he has done is perfect, but the feedbacks from a supervisor or a director gives a new perception to that shot, and that can actually even improve more your animation. So it's always about progressing. Always focus on improving yourself day by day and learning new things day by day, no matter where you are learning from and how much you are learning from. But only thing is keep learning, keep growing, and keep succeeding.